Did you know there's a Jewish Spanish language that sounds like this? El gacela habla languido a pensar de que deriva. My name is Nani Fazana and I'm a Ladino songwriter. This is a Jewish Spanish language from the Middle Ages. My grandmother spoke it and I'm trying to revive it by writing new songs. On May 15th I'm coming to King's Place in London to play a show for Songlines Encounters Festival. This is one of the songs that's going to be in the show. If you want to get your tickets, they're on nanimusic.com and I hope to see you there too. Prevalas se sobre los cerros no con armas, curas al herido.